It's just mental.
Camera. Whoa, it's pretty wet in there.
Yeah.
Hi, Alison.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Just pulling some carrots for market day. The soil looks quite dry. We've had a lot of rain. I bought about 50 mils. And we're just noticing the carrots are pretty moist. So if we just dig down, even though the soil looks dry, just dig down and you should be able to see how much moisture is coming through and the really high water table that we have here. This isn't a polytunnel, so it's not even getting any rain at the moment. Couple more.
Oh, you're too fast.
You can see where the water's coming up to, even though this is in the polytunnel. You just dig a little hole.
More holes.
Not far down.
No dig gardening.
Not even my hand depth, and there's moisture wicking through from underneath. It'll cause these carrots to rot if they sit in the water for too long. Lucky we're at the end of the bed.